Afternoon everyone, Rob, TechAutomotive here. I thought I wasn't going to do a video today, to be fair. I was just going to do it because the sun's quite hot. Never good to wash your car or put anything on it while it's hot. But I was using the Splash ceramicoat and thought, what a product. I'm going to show you this just because I like to try things out on my car off camera, make sure I'm doing it right, applying it right, because I don't want to embarrass myself and waste some good product. But like I say, splash detailing ceramicoat. Wow, what a product. I've done some of my car now just to, like I say, test it. So I'm going to bring you along for this bit. So my lovely daughter, who's camera lady of the day, is going to come to the car. I'm going to show you two parts of the car. So this bit here, where you see most of the beading, is treated with ceramicoat. This bit, this back door, isn't. So what I'm going to show you is the beading on that and the beading on that with a pressure washer first, and then I'm going to show you the after effects on that door, just so you can see how it works. So bear with me on the noise. I want you to hear it more than anything. So I'm just going to pressure wash it now. So you're going to see the doors and the quarter. So that's the treated bit, as you can see, running off nicely. This is the door, it's not treated at all, it's just been cleaned. As you can see, there's not a great deal of beading, to be honest. So the ceramicoat, that one, it does say on the instructions to, while the car's wet, but you've got to have washed it and rinsed everything off it first, while it's wet, spray it on a light mist on the panel and then wash it off straight away with the pressure washer. It says to use the pressure washer to spread it about and obviously clean off any residue. So here we go. Door, as you can see, not a lot of beading going on. We're quite a distance from the car, so I'll pop this down and immediately we're going to blast it off and you're going to see the beading of this ceramicoat. What a product. So compare that to before. I can do it again for you as well because I've not treated the front panel. So this is the panel that I've treated. Lovely bit of beading, very, very nice. This panel is not treated, as you can see, barely any beading. So I'll do it again just because I like using this. It's ace. So it's wet, as you like. It's obviously got no soap rope on it. Light mist. That's the panel. Use it sparingly. You don't want to go crazy. Blast it off immediately, as I said. Beading, that is mega. So yeah, it's a +1 from me for Splash ceramicoat. I've never really used anything like that. I've used all the other products that are like super resin polish and bits and bobs like that, but I've never had a product as easy as that to apply and as obvious as that when you see it actually on the car. It's fantastic. So I'm going to finish off the car now. I just wanted to pop in really for a quick video just to show you the ceramicoat. I'll show you it one last time. Splash detailing ceramicoat. Winner. So as I say, I'll finish off the rest of the car just because it's a little bit warm. I've got to get on it, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one.